Hello, it's Monday the 24th. I'm FxPlew and this is the market brief. Now, as we know, the UK economy, the performance there is heavily skewed towards the service sector. Services contribute about 80% of total economic output in the UK. And on Friday, PMI data rose to 54.9, up from 52.9, which is the largest increase we've seen in nearly a year. Demand for financial services was one of the main contributors to this growth, and this presents the Bank of England with yet another issue to consider, because financial services are often susceptible to the rising interest rates. The MPC will need to consider the merits of further rate hikes to control inflation against the risk of choking off growth and causing a recession further down the tracks. For now, though, the resilience of the UK economy means that we will likely see another rate hike at their next meeting on May the 11th, but anything past that needs plenty more discussion. You know the drill, though: data-driven decisions. Over in the US, that things are slightly less certain. Many of the Wall Street investment banks don't agree about the medium-term outlook for the US economy. For example, let's take a look at those two Morgans. On one hand, we've got JP Morgan, which is forecasting storm clouds for Q4 and all kinds of doom and gloom to follow that. On the other hand, Morgan Stanley, they see the current issues as nothing like 2008 whatsoever. They do both agree that the US consumer is resilient at the moment and inflation is on a downward path, so that's something, I guess. But we can take all these banking forecasts with a pinch of salt, because don't forget, in JP Morgan's year-end report, they predicted that job creation could well be negative by now. And if the Fed continue to hike rates, and it's safe to say that they were way off the mark there. In the market, the dollar index languished around the bottom end of its recent trading range last week, and sterling closed the week around 124.10 against the dollar. We kick off the new week slightly up. We're around 124.25 against the dollar, about 113.25 against the euro, and euro dollar is around 109.75 on the open this morning. That's it from me. Have a great week. I'll be back tomorrow.
If you do not have a clue, then just tweet through and ask FxPlew.